Hello, camera.
Hi. What are you up to?
Happy Monster Trucks.
Oh, so what are we doing then? We're going to play with the Hot Wheels monster trucks.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
On a video.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. What are we going to do?
You have to help me.
Okay.
We have to use something to make the monster truck looks down this ramp.
Okay.
And we have to make these two with 2 pieces.
Okay.
And we also only big pieces. We can use all the tracks to build it with only 2.
Okay.
But we want the monster truck to go very far.
Oh,
And we
okay.
need something to launch it very far down.
Okay.
Only Hot Wheels monster trucks. Like
Only-
these Hot Wheels monster trucks.
These Hot Wheels monster trucks here.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
So I will this, and we have to put it on here and on the floor.
Okay.
So I'll start it off.
Okay.
I'll put this right here. So it can go like have a stone name.
Okay. There's our awesome slide.
For the
Wow.
Hot Wheels monster trucks.
Pretty cool.
And done.
And done.
Let's see who's the fastest.
Okay, let's see who's the fastest.
So, I'm not using the squash cars yet.
Okay.
Let's see. I want more tracks.
Okay. Do you want to put some more down?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to put some more tracks down.
Yes.
And then,
What's this first?
okay. Should we have a race? Who are we racing? Whoa, I missed it. Who was the winner?
It was a tie.
It was a tie.
Yes.
Woohoo!
This was fun for fun.
Ooh. Next match is Fire Alarm versus Scalosaurus. Ready, set, go!
And who wins, Daddy?
I think it was Fire Alarm.
So let's check up somebody else.
Okay.
But the Scalosaurus is very, very slow. Let's try another one.
Okay. Fire Alarm versus Tiger Shark. Ready, set, go!
It was Fire Alarm.
Fire Alarm. Whoa. Fire Alarm.
Next.
We've made the track longer. Whoa!
Daddy, these ones are racing tonight.
Okay.
These ones are racing tonight.
Are they?
Yes.
What are-
25 and Fire Alarm.
Fire Alarm.
Yes. This one.
Oh.
What's this one called?
That's Chevy Camaro.
It's Chevy Camaro versus Fire Alarm.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Chevy Camaro versus Fire Alarm.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
And it was Chevy
It
Camaro.
was Chevy Camaro. All right. Ready, set, go.
And it was a tie.
And that was a pretty good focus pull
Yes.
from Daddy. Yeah.
Let's see if they can race back.
Yep. Whoa. There we go. Yep.
I think it's very, 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 very good.
Oh, yeah. Pretty sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready, set, go. And it was.
Woo! That was a sweet focus
And,
pull.
it,
Sorry.
and now, next to another match.
Okay.
Lona Duck, Bone Shaker versus Original Bone Shaker. Ready, set, go.
Woo! Yeah.
And the original one win the challenge.
Yeah. Chevy Camaro versus Carbonator. Ready, set, go! Oh yeah, but Chevy Camaro was the winner. Yeah!
No.
No, was it?
Yes, we need to hit something, and when they hit it first, they win.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Okay.
let's do another one.
Okay. Are you ready? Chevy Camaro versus Carbonator rematch. And ready, set, go!
And it was a tie.
It was a tie, and get them in focus. Yeah! Alright! Okay. Ready? Who's that?
Scallosaurus first. That you have to display.
Scallosaurus versus the DeLorean. Ready, set, go!
Tie.
Woo!
Let's do
Tie.
it again. They are gonna race between us.
What is it? The cars.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're off the monster trucks now and we're on to cars. So which monster truck was the ultimate champion?
Cool.
So which monster truck was the ultimate champion?
This one.
Who's that? Oh, it was Chevy Camaro. Chevy Camaro was the winner. Yay! Oh. Woo!
Who won?
I don't know. I think it was Roger Dodger.
Yeah, Roger Dodger.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can race up. Well, that went so fast.
Okay. Whoa! Ho-ho. Yeah. So we're about to run out of battery, so